HubSpot is like the Swiss Army knife of business platforms. It's got everything you need to take your marketing, sales, and customer service game to the next level. But with so many shiny tools at your fingertips, it's all too easy to get lost in the data maze and miss out on some of the awesome growth opportunities that HubSpot has to offer. Do you have the right contact information available? Are you using all the tools at your disposal? What more can you be doing to blow the competition out of the water? This is why conducting an annual HubSpot portal audit is crucial. It's like a yearly checkup for your HubSpot account to make sure you're taking full advantage of all the features and identifying areas for improvement. What's good, guys? It's Ben here from Neighborhood, where we help businesses find, sell to, and keep their people. Today, we're going to dive into what a HubSpot portal audit is, why it's important, and how to do it right so that you can ensure you're getting the most out of HubSpot. Let's go under the hood and give your HubSpot account a much needed tune-up. Before we even think about conducting a portal audit, we need to go back to basics and understand what HubSpot actually is and take a flyover view of everything that it has to offer. HubSpot is a comprehensive marketing, sales, and customer service platform that offers businesses a single place to manage their online presence. It provides a range of tools and functionalities, including inbound marketing, sales enablement, and customer service. This makes it easier for businesses to attract, engage, and delight customers. In addition to the core CRM platform, HubSpot is divided into 5 premium hubs, each of which offers a range of features and functionalities to help businesses with different aspects of their marketing strategy. Alongside these hubs, features like automation and analytics allow you to streamline your processes and provide valuable insight into your data. Before we conduct our first portal audit, let's quickly brush up on the major components of HubSpot. The CRM, or Customer Relationship Management function in HubSpot, provides businesses with a place to store and manage all their customer data. It allows businesses to see a full picture of their customer interactions and history, making it easier to manage relationships with customers and close more deals. Providing businesses with a range of inbound marketing tools. The Marketing Hub is where you go when you need to reach and engage with your customer base. Here you can provide them with relevant and targeted content. This is where your marketing team will conduct email marketing, social media management, content creation, and lead generation. The Sales Hub is where your sales teams will find a suite of sales enablement tools that make it easier to manage the sales process and close more deals. This includes features like lead management, deal tracking, and appointment scheduling. HubSpot provides businesses with a range of customer service tools that help them manage customer support and resolve issues quickly, all within their service hub. This is going to allow your customer success teams to tackle ticket management, send out customer feedback surveys, and provide information to FAQs through the knowledge base articles. HubSpot's Content Management System, or CMS Hub, is a powerful platform for creating, managing, and delivering content. It provides content strategy tools for website creation, landing pages, and blog management, and will turn your website into a lead generation machine. This is because CTAs and forms can pull information directly into your CRM. The Operations Hub in HubSpot provides businesses with tools and features that help streamline business operations and improve efficiency. You can do this with features including project management, reporting, and analytics. The automation feature will save you time by allowing you to create workflows and automate repetitive tasks. This can be used in processes like lead nurturing, sales follow-up, customer service, and data management. And it's going to increase efficiency, all while improving customer engagement. HubSpot's analytics tools provide businesses with real-time insights into the performance of their marketing, sales, and customer service efforts. Features like reporting, dashboards, and custom reporting allow you to make data-driven decisions and improve your results over time. Now that we know the major components of HubSpot, why should you be conducting a portal audit annually? Conducting a HubSpot portal audit annually is crucial because it helps you to ensure that you are making the most out of your platform. It also will help you identify areas for improvement. Skipping out on a yearly audit can lead to data becoming cluttered, opportunities for growth being missed, and a lack of focus in your marketing strategy. But that's not all. Regularly conducting an audit helps you to keep your data clean and organized. Annual audits will help you ensure that your data is accurate and up to date, making it easier to access and utilize when you need it. Clean and organized data will also make you help informed decisions, as you'll have a clear understanding of your current status. Identify opportunities for growth. Conducting a HubSpot portal audit annually can help you identify areas where you can improve your marketing, sales, and customer service efforts. By reviewing your current use of the platform and its features, you can identify areas where you can streamline processes and make changes that will drive growth and success. Ensure that you're utilizing all of the features available to you. With so many features and functionalities available in HubSpot, it's easy to miss out on potential opportunities for growth and success. A regular audit will help you ensure that you are utilizing all of the features that are relevant to your business and help you identify any areas where you can make improvements. This will help you maximize your investment in HubSpot and get the absolute most out of the platform. Okay, but how do you actually go about conducting a portal audit? Here at Neighborhood, we do hundreds of portal audits. So I would say the easiest way to go about conducting an audit is to go to the link down below in the description and sign up for a free audit today. But self-promotion aside, if you really want to do one yourself, here's a list of things we look for. The first step in conducting a portal audit is to go through your contact records. You need to ensure that the required data is filled out, they are assigned to an owner, and buyer personas are being used. A clean and organized contact database is critical to the success of your marketing and sales efforts. Take some time to review each necessary contact property and make sure that all the information is complete and accurate. Next step is to look at your marketing function. Ensure that all ads and social media accounts are connected and that forms and campaigns are being utilized effectively. Check to see if you are getting the results that you expect from your marketing efforts and if any areas do need improvement. Moving on to emails, you want to look at all the key email metrics. This includes open rates, click-through rates, unsubscribe rates, and bounce rates. And you want to determine that your emails are performing highly enough. You'll also want to examine the content of your emails, including the quality of subject lines and content, and the presence of unsubscribe links and business addresses to ensure they are optimized for readers in both browsers and on mobile devices. This will give you a good idea of how your emails are being received by your audience and if there are any areas that need improvement. If your website is hosted on HubSpot, ensure landing pages, chatbots, and the range of content strategy tools available are being used effectively. Your website is often the first interaction that a potential customer has with your business, so it's important to make a good impression and effectively communicate your message. If you have a blog as part of your HubSpot portal, it's important to assess whether it's actually delivering results for your business. To do this, you'll want to take a close look at the content performance and see if it's meeting your expectation. If you aren't getting the results that you've been hoping for, take the time to determine where there are areas that you need to improve on. For the sales function, you need to ensure that the stages are set up logically and that the meetings, tasks, and documents tools are being used effectively. A well-organized sales process will help your sales teams to close more deals and is going to increase your revenue. It's important to make sure you're using all of the tools in Service Hub effectively. This includes things like tickets, feedback, surveys, knowledge base, and customer portals. By taking the time to assess the effectiveness of these tools, you can make changes to improve your customer service and build a more loyal customer base. Examine your automation workflows to ensure they have goals and that there are no errors or unused workflows. You'll also want to check you have workflows set up for basic functions like lead nurturing and deal automation. A strong automation function will help you to streamline processes and improve efficiency. Finally, check to see if your dashboards and custom reports have been set up effectively and if all the reports are being used in dashboards. Dashboards are critical tools for monitoring and analyzing your data, so it's important that they are set up correctly and used effectively. So, you have conducted an audit of your portal and you have a list of all the amazing opportunities for improvement. It's time to put these findings into action. Here are the 5 steps that we recommend you take after doing a HubSpot portal audit. Number 1, implement quick wins. After conducting the audit, you should have a list of areas where you can make immediate improvements that will make the biggest impacts in the shortest time period. Implementing these quick wins will help you to increase your productivity and efficiency from day 1. 2, clean up your data. Data is a crucial aspect of your HubSpot portal, and it is important to keep it organized and up to date. Cleaning up your data based on the shortcomings you found in the audit will help you to ensure that you're getting the most accurate and relevant information. This will help you target leads, communicate with clients, and make data-driven decisions. Number 3, provide training and development opportunities. One of the key outcomes of a portal audit may be identifying areas where your team needs additional training or support to use the HubSpot platform more effectively. Providing access to training resources, online courses or workshops can help your team improve their skills. This will increase tool usage and get more value out of the platform. Number 4, you need to support the adoption of new features. A portal audit will often uncover new features or tools within the HubSpot platform that your team could benefit from using. Encouraging the adoption of these features and ensuring that your team has the necessary training and support to use them effectively can help you to drive better results and increase your return on investment. Finally, at number 5, we have build a culture of continuous improvement. After conducting an audit, you need to use the results to drive change within your organization. This will ensure that your team is always learning, growing, and adapting to new technologies and best practices, allowing you to stay ahead of the curve and achieve your marketing goals. By putting the results of your audit into practice, you can maximize the potential of your HubSpot portal and see a positive impact on your business outcomes. Is this all sounding a bit hard? Well, how about getting an agency to conduct a portal audit for you? Getting an agency involved in your portal audit can bring a fresh perspective and some much needed expertise to the table. By partnering with an agency like, I don't know, maybe Neighborhood, you can take advantage of our know-how and get an unbiased review of your portal's performance. No more struggling through the process alone. Here's some of the other benefits of getting a free portal audit. Firstly, it saves time. This is an obvious one, as the process of conducting a portal audit can be extremely time consuming when you don't know what you're doing. We can take care of it much faster, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. Another one is greater expertise and insights. We have the knowledge and experience gained from over 8 years of working day in and day out with HubSpot. We can provide you with more comprehensive insights and recommendations. Next, it gives you an impartial review. By working with a third party to conduct your audit, you can eliminate potential bias and ensure that the results are accurate and impartial. Another one is fresh perspective. At Neighborhood, we can bring you a new set of eyes and fresh perspective to the audit and identify areas for improvement that you may not have even considered. And finally, we have more efficient use of HubSpot features. We can help you to identify any features you're not currently using and help to optimize your tool usage, which can improve overall results. So that's everything. Conducting a HubSpot portal audit is like giving your portal a good old-fashioned spa day. It's an opportunity for you to take a closer look at what's working and what's not, and figure out how you can give your portal the boost it needs to succeed. If you're still looking for some help, the Neighborhood's free portal audit is a must-have. We'll give your portal a good once-over and provide you with a report on its performance and where it could use some improvement. Why not take advantage of this free offer and make sure your portal is working its hardest for you? The link is down below in the description. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can stay up to date with all of our content. If you want to read more about HubSpot, inbound marketing, or a whole range of other topics, you'll find a link to our blogs in the description down below. That's it from me, guys. Happy HubSpotting.